Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Do not pick on my hair, it is disgusting. I've had to put a scarf on because I'm just lazy these days with my hair. I just can't be bothered and this is the result. So today's video is fairly highly requested. Recently I've had a lot of DMs, comments on my videos, comments on my Instagram page regarding what my favorite foundations are at the moment. So I've got quite a few that I'm rotating. Some I've been using for a long time and they're just always going to be part of my makeup kit. Some are a little more recent, but I will leave links to everything down below for you. I'm going to jump straight in and get started. So the first foundation I have is a mineral powder foundation. This is the La Marve Organic Skin Science Anti-Aging Mineral Foundation Powder. And this is in the color light to medium. I love this product so much because it's organic, it's vegan, cruelty-free obviously, but also the finish of it is not muddy or dirty looking. I find with some mineral powders, they can be a little hard to blend and they can look a little muddy or messy on the skin. This gives a beautiful finish. The color is really nice and I absolutely love it. I probably use this a little more in summer when I don't feel like putting sort of oily products on my skin. And you can also build this up on top of other foundations. So if you want a little more coverage or if you're going out into the sun, this has SPF 15 in it. So you can put this over your liquid products as some extra coverage as well. So I love this and I am yet to find a mineral powder that I like better than this. The next product I have is a cream foundation. This is the Kjaer Weis cream foundation in Paper Thin is my color. Now this is quite expensive, but it's probably more expensive because of the packaging, but how could you not get this packaging? It is stunning. I think the trick with this is to make sure that you like the product before you invest in the packaging. You can buy the refills separately, so it's eco-friendly as well. And I would recommend buying a sample of the product if you can first, or just getting the refill and testing that out before you invest in this. But I have replaced the refills a few times now. This packaging is stunning. It's super heavy. It's really good quality and it keeps your product safe. Apart from the amazing packaging, the product itself is a beautiful cream foundation. I don't find it to be a super oily cream. Obviously, if you have really oily skin, any sort of cream product that you put on will most likely need some sort of setting powder over the top. However, I have used other cream products that are a little bit more oily than this. This is great as well if you're in a hurry because you can use it as your foundation and then your concealer, as long as you don't like to do the light under eye triangle thing. You can basically just keep building this product up with more coverage wherever you need it. So it's really great to take away. I love taking this away with me because if I'm in a hurry, I just, blend everything into my skin, even it out, and then apply more product where I need it. So this is one of the most expensive foundations that I have purchased because of the packaging, but I absolutely love it. Next I have the Gressa Minimalist Corrective Serum Foundation. It's really important to remember to shake products before you use them, particularly if they're natural and particularly if they're liquid, because things can separate, and being a serum foundation, it's likely that it will kind of separate over time a little bit. So I love this because it is kind of like a skincare in one. It gives you a really nice finish. It's not super oily. It is obviously a liquid and it contains a serum, so it's going to give you that hydration, but I find it does tend to sort of set itself a little bit and it doesn't stay liquidy or sticky or tacky on the skin, and I find I only need to apply a little bit of powder on my T-zone when I use this. There's been so many mixed reviews regarding this product. but I absolutely love the finish of it, and it is amazing with a beauty blender. This would have to be one of my favorite liquid foundations. This is in the color 03, and I would recommend getting samples before purchasing this, because I think this one is quite expensive as well in comparison to others, and their color system can be a little bit tricky to figure out, because I think they have like half, so I think they have like 2.5 and 3 and 3.5 from memory. They may have changed it now, but I think that's the way it was when I purchased it. Next I have the Inika Certified Organic BB Cream. Yes, I'm aware that is technically not a foundation, but for us natural makeup girls, this is a foundation for us on everyday wear. This is great because it's probably one of the least greasy BB creams that I have tried. It's certified organic. The color is gorgeous. I'm in the color beige. And I really love the finish of this. It does give you medium coverage, and you can build it up quite easily as well. So I absolutely love this as a BB cream, but you can get a fair bit of coverage if you do like a heavier makeup look. This is a BB cream you will be able to achieve that with. Next I have some more cream products. I have the Vapour Atmosphere Luminous Foundation Stick. I know technically this is a concealer, but let me explain why I want to include this. So this is the Illusionist concealer. I'll leave a link down below and details of the colors that I use for these products. The reason why I love this is like, holy shit, I'm running late. I got to be out the door in 5 minutes. I attempted to do a 5-minute makeup challenge, which I wasn't far off achieving, but I actually used both of these products. So what I did was put the foundation stick directly all over my skin wherever I needed it. And then I went in with the concealer stick, put it on my T-zone, under my eyes, any blemishes, and then you can just blend the two out together. So it's an amazing duo. If you love cream, dewy skin, I'm wearing these two products at the moment, then you will love this, and so easy to blend out. They blend out beautifully, and they're great for on the go. They're compact and they're super easy to use. You can blend them out with anything, even your fingers. So if you like convenience and a quick way to apply your makeup, then these are a great foundation option for you. Last foundation I wanted to share is my trusty old Perez Oat Milk foundation. This one is probably a little more on the hydrating side. If you have super oily skin, you will definitely need to apply some powder after using this, but it is just such a beautiful finish for an everyday foundation. You can probably just achieve medium with this. I wouldn't say you will get anywhere near full coverage, but this is a great everyday lightweight foundation. It will give you a hit of hydration without being too oily, but like I said, if you have oily skin, you will definitely need to powder with this as well. I just love the ingredients in this too, and that it's good for your skin, and I love the color as well. So this, as you can see, is very well loved, and it is part of my every day or every week foundation routine. So those products are the most used foundations that I have on rotation at the moment. I love all of them. They're all different, and it really depends on the day, how my skin is. Ooh, the sun's come out. It's really bright. Yeah, so they're my top foundations at the moment. I would love to hear from you. Do you have a Holy Grail foundation? Must be cruelty free and fairly natural, if possible, organic. I would love to know if you have any other foundations that you've been loving lately, or if you have any requests for foundations that you would like me to test out. Please let me know in the comments below, and I will make sure I go and hunt that down and test it out for you. That's what I'm here for, is for you guys, and to test things out so that you don't have to. Please don't forget to subscribe and like if you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you and the support you continually give me. And as always, I can't wait to see you in the next video. Mwah!